I'm Rob Steinke and welcome to my Harness Makers Workshop. I used to have a little private museum called the Museum of the Master Saddler when I lived in Cavan. And some of the items I still have today, so I thought I'd bring some along. And also there's a picture show to carry on. How about that? That's all beads and shells that I got in from Egypt, and it was worn. You'll see pictures on the picture show. There's unusual items like the mouthing bit, except different. That's wood. And then there'll be several illustrations of unusual horse brasses. There's a modern one I made of different events I'd been to, but I've also got some dating back to the 1800s. They'll also be in the show. And what else have we got? Saddle trees. If you can see the red on them, that's where they normally break. I stripped this one down and it's used for teaching the students in the riding school where I'm based. So during this this part of the video, it's split into three parts. There'll be the governess cart that we had, that's 1910. The late 1800s, I had this lovely Beaufort cart. You'll see me driving it. You'll see a cat in it, Fluffy. And there'll be, what else will we have? Foot warmer, yes, like the hot water bottle. When you're cold driving in the coach, it's about so big. You'll see this copper implement, and you filled it with hot water, kept you warm for the journey. There's the mock-up, admittedly isn't original, of the guard's coat, the red coat that the guard, I used to tell them on a tour of school kids, he was the original 007, because he was licensed to kill anyone that tried to rob the Royal Mail, got a blunderbuss at them. So it was made out of an old hunting coat I had, so I think it looks the part. So, and you'll see little Rocky. I got me notes here, otherwise I'll only forget which one's in the first section, and then I'll come into it. My little miniature pony. You'll see Rocky and Rambo. Throughout this picture show, they're both charging around up in horse heaven now, but they were great fun to have. I had each of them over 30 years, which is a good time. And they would drive single pair. I'd lead them in tandem. You'll see some tandem harness on the show. So yeah, and they'd come in the workshop, and Rocky was great at that. He loved it. He knew where the sugar lumps were. And as for Rambo, he'd really rather be in the pub with an ashtray full of beer. So that was his regular little thing when we were on outing. So hope you enjoy the show, and then halfway through it or so, I will come back and introduce the next part. Okay, so happy viewing. this picture show. This is part 2 coming up, and there'll be some pictures of side saddles and the float we used to have for parades and that, and looking at me notes again. Saddlers in the old days didn't just do saddlery for horses. They did luggage, made footballs. You see the football in there. So carry on, hopefully enjoying the picture show. Welcome back. Last part of the picture show just about to come up, and you'll see different items again. Now, how about that? It's a pit pony's bridle. Now, several of these items that you've seen on this video, I'll be doing expanded videos of. Later date, the bridles, the pit pony. There was a picture of Banconi who did the first mail coach in Ireland. There'll be a separate video on him. So keep coming back, press the subscription button, and you'll get advance warning of what videos are coming up. So enjoy this. Thank you very much for being with me here, to all of you throughout the world, and I look forward to seeing you again. Okay, so enjoy to the end. Okay, cheerio.